So over here, if you were to go onto the board, then you can go ahead and, let's say for example, drag out the card, keep it up to go ahead and sort out the tasks right here. But if you were to go around onto the grid, then you see the task name, the assignment, the start date and due date. So you can go ahead and sort out the task in a list in different ways. For example, here you can see animatics is here, there's rough animation, there's animation for script and so forth. So you can actually go around over here in task name and sort it out by ascending or descending order right here, just like this, or clear out the sorting altogether. You can also set it based on the assignment. As you can see, you can set it on the start date and end date. You can set it on start date and due date. And as you select out the order right here in any particular category, then the other category gets dismissed. It gets disabled, and whatever you choose right here will actually be applied. So if I were to sort this out to ascending or descending right here, this is what you have. You can also set it based on priority right here, just like this, and also right here, just like this, as you can see. So wherever you see the down arrow, you can go ahead and sort out the task on the basis of that. And that is how you can go ahead and do task sorting inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.